When your iQOO phone's contact list gets cluttered with duplicates or outdated numbers, managing it can be a hassle. Whether you want to clean up or wipe all contacts before selling your phone, a reliable iQOO contacts eraser can help. In this video, we'll show you 5 trusted tools to erase contacts. Top 1. Best iQOO Contacts Eraser. MobiKin Eraser for Android. Contacts on an iQOO phone can be securely and permanently removed using MobiKin Eraser for Android, Windows, Mac, ensuring that no traces of sensitive data remain. How to erase iQOO contacts and other data using MobiKin Eraser for Android. Download and install the eraser software on your computer. Connect your iQOO phone via USB and enable USB debugging if needed. Open the program, let it detect your device, and click Erase. Choose a security level, type Delete, and click Erase. The program erases data based on your selection, then factory reset your iQOO and tap Continue to complete. Top 2. Easy Contacts Cleaner. Unnecessary or duplicate contacts on an iQOO device can be efficiently managed with Easy Contacts Cleaner. The app allows bulk deletion or merging of entries. To tidy up the phonebook, its straightforward design ensures that even beginners can handle contact cleanup. Top 3. Delete all contacts. All or selected contacts on an iQOO phone can be removed quickly and effectively through Delete All Contacts. The app supports multiple accounts, including phone storage and Gmail, for comprehensive contact management. Deletions are performed in just a few taps. Top 4. Delete Multi-Contacts Merge. Multiple duplicates and redundant contacts on an iQOO 13.12.11 Neo U Legend can be handled efficiently using Delete Multi-Contacts Merge. The app identifies duplicate entries and allows merging or deletion in bulk. Top 5. Delete all phonebook contacts. Contacts stored in SIM card or phone memory on an iQOO phone can be cleared with Delete All Phonebook Contacts. Bulk or selective deletion options make it suitable for both small and large contact lists.